Okay, so a little bit back and forth, as expected. I ran the mill until I noticed a little bit more, let's say, like we say in electronics, it sounds expensive and smells expensive. I stopped and a little bit tear down, and then I had to inspect the clutch. This mechanism here, of course, bolted together, is what transmits the power from the motor, with the dish that goes onto the clutch here, which you are able to move up and down so that you can shift the speed. On the other side of this is the shaft that connects to this, which I have taken off with a gear puller. That's just for keeping the gear puller snug, and then tightening with on top of this like that, and then up to the spindle. And then this lock is on here, and then is just for tightening the belt drive. So this freed up nicely, but as you can see, discoloring here. So I think I'm not on this side. Okay, taking off the ring here, which rests on the outer perimeter of the bearing, which you see is a cylindrical bearing. So I guess it has to come off, be replaced, but I'm not sure if this ring also, if there is some kind of preloading function, and I'm not sure about the running clearances on this this bearing either. But something must have caused this discoloration anyway. Okay, I put up an indicator indicating between the shaft itself and the representative of the outer. Searing the indicator, I'd like to find out if there is too much deflection between or in the ball races, and I think I'll just, tightly between my index finger and thumb, I can get 4/400ths of a millimeter. I'm not sure, but I think this bearing is shot, and that it pulled this amount and therefore got a discoloration here, or at least I have to replace that, I guess. Okay. And yes, by the way, I am on top of the granite plate, but this is fitted with, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a felt underneath there. So I have felt pads all over, which should equalize the pressure when I'm using this work table.